Are you ready to transition to smarter and more organized problem solving? Here are some of the most popular methods. While all of them are effective, PDCA is trusted for its simplicity and easy adoption across industries. Let's take a quick look at its evolution. Walter Shewhart introduced the concept of PDCA. Edwards Deming popularized it, and later Toyota adopted it successfully. A quick look at the PDCA cycle. In the plan step, you define and root cause the problem. In the do step, you consider and implement solutions. The check phase ensures that the problem is solved, and the act phase standardizes and sustains the gains. Introducing SolvoNext PDCA, a new age advanced software with optional AI integration where the entire team can collaborate and solve problems all in one place. There are 30+ tools such as 5Y, Fishbone, and FMEA already embedded, so there's no need for handling additional Excel files or PPTs. Also, there are automated dashboards which keep everyone on track and visualize analytics. Request a demo and get a free trial today. Visit orcaline.com to learn more.